Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. When I talk about gold, this video is about gold versus my salary. This is going to be a very, very interesting video, guys. Thanks to one of my friends who shared this PPT with me and I loved it. I thought I'll make it like this. So gold is the most earliest form of investment. हमारी माओ से पूछा जाए तो गोल्ड ले दो, गोल्ड ले दो. So they did not just buy gold just to look beautiful. They also bought gold only because they knew in terms of need that gold can be pawned and you can get good money or you can sell that gold jewelry as well. And even my family में जब जरूरत थी तो मेरी दादी ने अपनी सोना गिरवी रखा है, pawn किया और even बेचा भी है ताकि मैं पढ़ सकूं. But today when we are talking about this, there will be certainly we'll talking about कि गोल्ड में कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, क्यों करना है, कहाँ करना है, FCNR में करना है, NRBD में करना है. So first of all we will be discussing all those chapters one by one. So this video is on gold. So guys, in 2000 gold rate was 4400 rupees per 10 gram, and by 2025 it has become around 1,03,150 rupees. Now this PPT is around 6 months old. अगर आप आज नवंबर में देखोगे शायद ये रेट 1,20,000 रुपए के आसपास है. It has grown further. So I'm talking about out here. So अगर आप कैलकुलेट करोगे, now this is also compounding. अगर आप कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में कैलकुलेट करोगे कि भैया 2000 में 44 होता, 25 साल में द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट फ्रॉम 4400 हैज बिकम 1,03,150 रुपीज. सो भैया हाउ मच इज द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट? सो इट कम्स अराउंड टू 13.5% कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो 13.5 इंटरेस्ट को अगर पकड़ ले 14%, दैट मीन्स एवरी 5 ईयर्स. बाय 72 से अगर आप 14 को डिवाइड करोगे इट कम्स टू 5 ईयर्स. एवरी 5 ईयर्स द गोल्ड रेट इज डबलिंग. एवरी 5 ईयर्स. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So the thing is most important that you have to understand is कि भैया गोल्ड में तो इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, अच्छी बात है, ये जरूरत में भी काम आता है. 5000 years old it was there, and in the next 5000 years it should also be there, right? बीच में डायमंड आया, चला गया, बहुत सारी चीजें चली. गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर आर here to stay, but this is where the amazing calculation happens. So this calculation has been shared in the form of Excel sheet by one of my friends. I won't say कि तो 2009 में started selling as a 4th engineer. Salary was that time $3,450 per month. Annual salary for 7 months became $24,150. That is 3450 multiplied by 7. Annual salary in INR became कितना? 11,69,101, because at that time USD rate was 48.41 rupees. Annual salary gram gold में कितनी होगी? 700 grams of gold he could buy with this money, because at that time gold price was 16,686 per 10 gram. Copied guys? In the year 2010, again he was 4th engineer, salary was this. Again he went for 7 months, इतना उसने पैसा कमाया. Now money reduced because the dollar rate reduced. तो ये इतना पैसा उसने कमाया. Again gold price increased, so at that time he could buy less gold. So gold has increased, but since the dollar rate reduced, his buying capacity reduced. So he did that for 11, 12, 13, 14. 13 में he became a second year, salary was 6550. Then 17 was second year with salary of $12,000. So he is today a chief engineer. In between he became a vessel manager also. So he has done so many contracts. Today he is a chief engineer whose salary is $16,000. So in the last 4 years his salary has remained the same, constant salary. So for he is doing for say 6 months out here, 7 months. So 7 months में इतना पैसा कमाया. Annual salary is around 91 lakhs, 95 lakhs. Why? Because the dollar rate is increasing and keeping it good out here. Gold price out here is 96,000 rupees. So how much gram gold he could buy was 991, because gold का price तो लगातार it is increasing, right? So he has made a graph out here, and which is very surprising guys. So in 2009 when he was a 4th year he could buy 500 grams of gold that year. 2010 he could buy less than 500 grams. 2013 he could buy around 1100 grams of gold. Then he could buy more, he could buy more, he could buy more, he could buy more, he could still buy more. But today in 2024, when his salary is $16,000 per month, today he can buy less gold than he could buy as a 3rd engineer out here. So what does that mean? यार your salary has increased, but if you had invested carefully a certain amount of money in gold, today you have been making a jackpot. But अब now this does not mean that भैया आज ही जाके सारा पैसा गोल्ड में डाल दो. That is where asset allocation comes into play. But yes, investing in gold is also very important. How much, when, why, we will discussing in later series. But I hope this kind of calculation you need to make for yourself as well. Just one thing guys, for those who want to know ki what was he doing in 2018, why this is zero, because at that time he did not go that for one complete year, he did not go on ship. That is why it is zero. He was a technical superintendent and then he did not like the job and then he joined back over here on ship. And I thank my batchmate who took out this efforts to make this wonderful Excel sheet. Thank you very much. I hope you understood guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.